Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is special. This video is for all the students out there who are planning to take the PT test anytime soon, or those who have taken the exam recently and they have not got their desired scores in the speaking module. Especially they have missed out in the extended speaking part. Extended speaking can be checked when you go to your skills profile. If you're missing out on your extended speaking, this video is going to be a game changer, because there are a lot of students who used to get 90 earlier, but now they're just getting 70, 75 in speaking. And if you follow whatever I'm going to tell you in this video, things are going to be all right for you. You are going to get your desired scores. Now, first of all, let's have a look at what is the problem. There are students out there who used to get 90 in speaking, and now when they went for the test recently, or when they're taking the test now, they're getting around 70, 65, 75. They're not really getting their desired scores. And when they check the skills profile, their extended speaking is very low, despite the fact that they have used the same templates as they used when they got 19 speaking. So to check and to see what can be done for students who are missing out in extended speaking, I took the test. I tried a few new things, because using the old methods, few students were not really getting the score. So we had to try something new, and that worked for me. And then for 1 month, we ran a pilot. Means we told all our students on campus that yes, you should be doing this strategy, and all of them, they've got the desired scores. And that is why I'm putting this video, on YouTube publicly for all the students, so that whatever I'm telling you is proven with me and for all the other students, and so you can use it now and get your desired scores. So I took the test on 19th of Jan, I guess, right? I only attempted the speaking module. Read aloud, I did one line strategy. Repeat sentence, I used the same method as much as I remember. I just spoke in a clear and fluent manner. Describe image, I used a new template, an updated form of template. Same Retell lecture, I updated the template a bit, and I use that. Answer short questions, I got 6 to 7. I was sure about 4. I spoke the answer. Rest, I just repeated the keywords. Writing, reading, and listening, I have skipped it. And this is my score. I've got 19 speaking, 29 in reading as well, and my short speaking is full. Then writing is 10, and listening is around 40, right? Listening is 40. My extended and short speaking both are full. What do I take out from this exam of mine or test of mine is that if old strategies are not working, new strategies are going to work. Now you'll ask me that how can you say new strategies are working? Because these strategies over the next 1 month, means from the time I took the test, 19th of Jan till 19th of Feb, we have asked all our students to follow this in the test, and they have got 79 plus, right? Whatever their desired scores were. And all of them, they have seen an increase in the extended speaking. Now I'll share my screen. I'll tell you what strategies I used. That is going to make it very clear for all of you that if you are struggling in speaking, if you're struggling in extended speaking, or if you are planning to go for the test anytime soon, what are the things you need to do, right? Especially for students who have got the exam in next 2, 3, 4 days. I don't really want you to change whole of the template, but I'll tell you a few things which you should be following so that you can get your desired scores. Let me share my screen and then we'll go from there. Now, what is the problem? The very first problem is students are not really getting the scores in extended speaking. What is the reason? There are two probable reasons, right? Please pay attention. First reason is they're not speaking clearly. They have crammed the template and then they're speaking too fast that nothing is clear. Because of that, they lose points in pronunciation. But I have had a few students who were speaking clearly and then also they were not really getting the scores, right? In that case, what I think is the probable reason, and which is very likely to be the probable reason, that whenever students are repeating the same sentence again and again in the template, the software or the system or the PT testing software is blocking their response or template, as a result of which their scores are going down. Now, there is a case where two students, right? Both of them, they have used the same template. This has got 79 plus, this has just got 60. I understand this is a bit dicey, but I want to be very honest with you. For some students, templates are not really old templates, I would say. Old templates are not really doing the job. Only 20% of the students, but I don't really want to, take risk with these 20% of the students as well. I want each and every student to get the scores. So what is the solution? I have updated the template. And I've changed the words which are being repeated again and again in the template, right? Now let's have a look at describe image first. You probably know that you get 5 points for fluency, 5 for pronunciation, 5 for content. You get 25 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds to speak. Let's say this is the image. This is the updated template. Have a look over here. The image provides information about one keyword. The first key feature of the image is one keyword. Furthermore, important information about keyword and keyword is given. Moreover, some detail about this and this is also presented. Additionally, some facts about this and this can be seen. Also, some numbers and variations can be observed in the image. Overall, the data is provided in the picture. Now, please understand what I'm trying to say. It is not that only this template will get you the scores. What I want you to do is, I don't want you to repeat same keyword again and again. For example, I can see, I can see, I can see, I can see, I can see. Try to avoid repeating this. Two reasons. There might be chance that in some cases, Pearson might block your template. Second, when you repeat the same keyword again and again, you don't speak clearly. Same thing for Retell lecture as well. Or some students use this template, another point, another point, another point. Try to avoid using that as well. Follow this template, which I'm providing on YouTube. We have also provided a similar template to all the students who are studying with us online and on campus. You can follow that template. You can follow this one as well. You can follow that one as well. That has got more options. You can change according to yourself. Now, the whole idea is to not repeat the same keywords again and again. You can customize this template according to yourself. For example, I find speaking image difficult, right? I just said the picture provides information about one keyword. I find it difficult to speak feature. I can just say the first key factor of the image is this. Furthermore, some information about this and this is presented. Moreover, some information about this and this is also given. So it's not that you have to exactly follow this template. You can customize the template according to whatever you find easier. If you find it difficult to speak, additionally, you can say, however, some facts about this and this can be seen, or you can customize the template this way as well. The image provides information about one keyword. The primary feature of the image is highlighted as one keyword. Furthermore, some information about two keywords is given. So it's not that you have to exactly follow this template. You can follow it, but you have to make sure you follow 2 to 3 things. Speak clearly, speak in a flow, do not repeat the same sentences again and again. If you have to repeat few keywords again, you can repeat keywords, but don't repeat the whole sentence again and again. That can cause some issues, right? Now, for example, this is the image. You just start this way. The image provides information about members. Don't speak the whole thing, just speak one word per keyword. The first key feature of the image is management. Furthermore, some important information about team and director is given. Moreover, some detail about marketing and manager is also presented. Additionally, some facts about business and development can be seen. Also, some numbers and variations can be observed. Overall, the data about customer is provided in the image. Now, let's say you've got your exam in 2 days, right? It will be difficult for you to memorize this template. What you do in that case, you simply do it this way. Let's say you're following the template, old template, right? The image gives information about management. The very first point of the image is director and team. Furthermore, another fact in the image is about director and assistant. Moreover, one more feature of the image is director and manager. Additionally, some other factors which are presented in the image include business and development. There are some numbers and variations which can be observed in the image. Overall, the image is about manager, which is very informative. Now, what I did, I spoke a few sentences which were not similar to each other, but I spoke that in flow. So I really want you to, not blindly follow anything. I want you to, construct a template if you want, but make sure you don't repeat the same keywords again and again. But before you go for the test, you should have a clear thing in your mind of what you need to follow so that you don't have to think when you go for the test. Additionally, apart from that, if you want to follow this, you can follow this as well. Similarly, if you get image like this, we don't have any content, you have just 4 keywords. The image provides information about moon. The first key feature of the image is half moon. Firstly, important information about sea and water is given. Furthermore, some details about full and half is also represented in the image or in the data or in the picture or in the presentation or in the graph, whatever is comfortable for you. Moreover, some facts about night and moon can be seen. Also, some numbers and variations can be observed. Overall, the data is provided in the picture. So this is what you need to do. use the updated template. If you find it difficult, what you can do is you can make a template by yourself as well, or you can edit the template you have so that you're not repeating the same keywords or same sentences. Actually, if you have to repeat few keywords from the image, in case you have less keywords, you can do that. So even if you have to repeat few keywords from the image, you can, but don't repeat the same sentences again and again. That can create issues in, some of the cases, and I don't really want to risk anything when you go for the test. I've tried this in my test. These templates, these do work. I've got 19 speaking. All our students over the last 1 month from a campus have done the same. The templates which we have customized or asked them to customize according to their convenience, they have done so by not repeating the same sentences again and again, and they've got the desired scores. Similar thing you have to do in Retell lecture as well. Let me share my screen. Let me tell you what you have to do in Retell lecture. All right, so Retell lecture, you probably know that you get a lecture that can go anywhere around 50, 60, 70 seconds. After that, you have to retell the lecture in your own words in 40 seconds. This is the template which I've updated for all of you. You can use this, and this is going to help you get your desired scores. The lecture provides information about one keyword. Firstly, the speaker provided information about this and this. Furthermore, the lecture gave them some details about this and this. Moreover, some facts or some information, or you can say some details, or you can say some factual information, whatever is convenient for you. Some facts about this and this were mentioned. Also, information about this and this was given in the lecture. In the end, some light was thrown on two keywords. Overall, crucial information about keyword is provided in the lecture. Now, it does not really mean that you have to exactly follow the same template. I am repeating again and again. You have to take care of three things. You have to speak fluently, you have to speak clearly, and you don't have to repeat the same sentences again and again. You have to add keywords over here. You can add 1 or 2 words keywords, not very long keywords. And in case you have to customize the template, you can do that as well. If you're using the template, Dash was the main topic of the lecture. He told about, he also told about, he also told about. You can simply say, Dash was the main topic of the lecture. Firstly, the speaker mentioned about 1 and 2 keywords. Secondly, he also stated about this and this. Furthermore, some information about this and this was provided. However, some details about this and this were also mentioned in the lecture. So it's just about playing with the keywords, not repeating the same keywords again and again, so that computer or the system does not block your template and you do not lose points in extended speaking. If I have to, focus or follow this template, I'll do it this way. The lecture provides information about India. Firstly, the speaker provided information about apple and banana. Furthermore, the lecture gave some details about India and Pakistan. Moreover, some facts about Australia and Kenya were mentioned. Also, information about Kenya and Bangladesh was given in the lecture. In the end, some light was thrown on Nepal and Pakistan. Overall, crucial information about China is provided in the lecture. In case you have less keywords, you can repeat the same keywords, but don't repeat the same sentences again and again. Obviously, some words can be repeated again and again, but not the whole sentence. Remember, your grammar is not important, your vocabulary is not important. Use the templates, but use these properly. Go around 25 seconds in Retell lecture, around 20 seconds in describe image, and your job will be done. Now, I'll summarize this video again. It's not that no template is working or all the students are not getting the scores using the templates, but it has happened in 20% of the cases where students who were getting a higher score in extended speaking earlier are now missing out in extended speaking. And we had to do something, because we can't just risk it that if you go for the test you get the scores, it's fine. If not, it's fine. Now we want that each and every student who goes for the test gets the desired scores. What we concluded out of all the experiments, other tutors, they also took the test, I also took the test, that in some cases it seems like that Pearson is blocking the template. It's pretty random. So to avoid that your template is being blocked, don't just repeat the same sentences again and again in the template. You can follow any template, just customize it so that not same sentences are repeated again and again. You speak clearly, fluently. You can repeat keywords from the image or from the lecture, but not the whole sentences. And that is going to help you get your desired scores. Nothing to worry about, nothing to panic about. Understand what I've mentioned in the video, take it easy, and you'll get your desired scores. I hope this has made it clear. We will be conducting special sessions for all our students online and on campus regarding the template, so that you get a clear idea of what needs to be done and what needs to be avoided. If you have been provided a separate template or different template or a set of template or lines or structures which you can follow, you feel free to follow that as well. That gives you more options to follow whatever is comfortable for you. Draft a template for yourself and use that, and you will get your desired scores. These two templates, especially for describe image, can be used in PT core as well. So if you're taking PT core, feel free to follow this template. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share, and subscribe. If you're missing out in extended speaking, don't waste your time, money again and again. Follow this and you will get your desired scores. To practice, just go on languageacademy.com.au, register and start practicing. If you need any help, we have got our branches in India, in Australia, and Nepal. We do provide online classes. These are the numbers, contact details. If you're preparing for PT core in Canada, we have special batches for you as well. We'll be more than happy to help you. Just give us a call, send us a message, and we will be with you. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, practice using these templates and see how much score you're getting. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. And remember, if thousands of students are getting the desired scores, if I've got my desired score, you can do it as well. Just work hard and smart and work in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours.